Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're going to prepare macaroni with chicken and vegetables. So for this we have started boiling our macaroni in plain water, which we heated first, and then we added the macaroni and 1 tablespoon oil and 1 teaspoon salt in it, and then it's boiling and we'll take the water out and strain it. And we added give me vinegar. Okay, we have all the veggies here and vinegar. We'll add a little bit of vinegar to our boiling macaroni, and we have got vegetables and 2 boiled chicken legs. You can have boneless chicken as well. We added vinegar in it, and now we have here chopped garlic and some chunks of capsicum, and we've got green onions, a bit of tomato and carrots and green chilies, which I like very much.
Green onions.
We can add scrambled egg as well in the end. And now we'll start cutting our veggies, and after we saute them in the pan, in which we have a little bit of oil, everything, this chicken first, the chicken, then all the veggies will be sauteed in the pan, and we'll add some vinegar in it as well, and then we'll show you the result of the whole mixture. We'll stain the macaroni in this strainer first. Let's check it if it's done. Yeah, it's done in 5 minutes with hot water. And then after adding everything else, I'll give you the result.